Hello, I'm Mark Hagan, the developer evangelist for the SecureSubmit platform here at Heartland Payment Systems, and today we're going to be downloading, configuring, and testing the WooCommerce plugin for SecureSubmit. So the first thing that you need to do is log into your administrator, go to your plugins section, and verify that you're running the latest version of both WooCommerce and WordPress. It's not necessarily a requirement for our plugin, but it's always good practice. You'll need to go to the SecureSubmit portal and download the latest, greatest version of our WooCommerce plugin. Once you've done that, unzip that plugin, grab the folder that's inside of it, and paste it into the WordPress plugins folder. Note this is not the WooCommerce extensions folder, this is the WordPress plugins folder, same place where you installed the WooCommerce plugin. Paste that in there, and now when you go back and refresh the page for your WordPress plugins, you're going to see that you have a new one down here called WooCommerce SecureSubmit Gateway. Click the Activate button on that plugin. So at this point, you've installed the plugin, and now you need to configure it. To do that, you're going to go to WooCommerce, and you're going to click on Settings. Once you're on Settings, you're going to go to the Checkout tab, and then you're going to click the Secure Submit link. This is where all the plugin configuration takes place. You'll see that you have an Enable Secure Submit link. You'll want that to be enabled. You can change the title that the customer sees during checkout. You can change the description. You're going to get the public and secret keys. Both of these keys will come out of your profile page, and when you're ready to go to production and you get your production credentials, you'll just overwrite these keys and you'll be in production. The payment action, if you wanted to do a capture that's going to charge the card immediately, if you wanted to do an authorize, it's going to place a authorization on the card, and then you can capture that authorization to the virtual terminal that Heartland provides you. So now that you've configured all your settings, you need to test. To test, you're going to need some products. So I've already created a few, so if you go to Products, you'll see that I have a whole bunch in here. So I'm going to click my Visa test. I'm going to view that product. I'm going to add it to my cart. I'm going to view the cart, proceed to checkout. You see that I've logged in. I already have all this data populated for me. Saves me a lot of time during my development testing. So I'm going to go in here and do 4111. All these test credit card numbers are available at the bottom of our documentation page. So feel free to jump in there and use some of those test cards. There's one for each of the card types we support. So I'm going to type in a CVV code of 123 for my test card, and then I'm going to click Place Order. So at this point, the card is actually tokenized on the client side. That token comes back and then is posted to the server. And that server, the server request is then processed using the standard SecureSubmit plugin. So as you see, no credit card data, the process is that no credit card data is ever posted to your server in any way, not in log files, not in anything, because it's happening on Ajax on the client side. So you see that this was a successful transaction. We have all the customer details. Everything is normal from here on out, standard WordPress, WooCommerce. So if you have any questions on this or any other plugins that we offer, feel free to reach out to us, and thank you for watching.